Hey guys. Hey guys, today I'll be telling you about how I cracked the code. Alright, so Jeremy, enough of the BS, man. I literally just cracked the code. Alright, so guys, first step to deciphering, first you want to decipher it, right? So it's like cracking, deciphering is kind of the same when thrown into the same sentence. But here, let's think about this for a second. So if you had the two pins in the wall, then it just comes down to the factor of which of these is telling you, like which jumps out at you and tells you that's your first clue. So obviously, if it was the red one and the blue one, it'll be the right one. But if it was the blue one and the red one, then we want to alternate to the left one and shift it over one. So it would fall back to the right one. So when you have that, the sequence of numbers will kind of just comes in your head because you have that, and then it's just like rotations back and forth. So it goes like 4 5 4 5 2 1 4 5 2 9 0 1 0 5. So once you have the string of numbers clearly in your head, you're gonna actually want to take your ripest banana. Now hear me out. You're gonna want to take the ripest banana, but then the code actually will be imprinted under the type of the banana, and you want to make sure the banana is not also a plantain, because there are a lot of plantains out there who try to disguise themselves as bananas. Not good. So make sure that you have a real banana grown from a real banana tree, and then make sure that the code is actually matched up to the DNA genetics of the banana. Now the problem with this is it's hard for someone to access the splicer in order to get the DNA from the banana. So the factor comes down to you got to know a guy who knows a guy whose brother knows a guy who is the science lab owner at Hex Labs, and you're going to want to tell him that you need to use DNA splicer. But guys, I can't promise you it's going to be free. He might require you to pay money in order to use a splicer, so in which case that will be important. So when you get to the splice station, there will be 4 buttons on the wall, and it will say green, blue, purple, orange. Now, do not hit the orange one, do not hit the green one, hit one of the other two. Doesn't matter, whichever one you want. And at this point, you will take the banana, hopefully that's still in your back pocket, and you put it in there. The DNA code will be spliced, and you will hopefully see the sequence of numbers that came to your head when you picked the correct pin. Now guys, after this is met, your second clue is given to you, which is the random letter of the alphabet that is given to you after the DNA is spliced based on the hex splitter machine. So once you grab that second letter, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the movie theater, any movie theater, and you're going to say to the movie theater person, you're going to say, 是nhà夫的, and then they will say, 多是nhà夫, and then after that, after you guys make that exchange, they know that you're part of the secret movie club mafia. And after you're part of the secret movie club mafia, what you're going to want to do is take that letter and the letter of the alphabet that is given to you, and you're actually going to want to go to the bathrooms, and underneath the second urinal to the right, there should be a secret ladder passageway that takes you down into the tunnel. And when you're in the tunnel, guys, you're going to want to be looking out and actually looking for 400 paces down northwest, directly northwest, there will be a small indent on one of the bricks, one of the stone bricks there. You're going to push it in even farther, and then it'll open the spiral staircase, which will take you down to the room. Now, with your letter, what you're going to want to do is you will approach the wise old wizard, and you will say to the wizard, you will say, do, do, and then he will say, do, do, and then you will exchange the letter with him, and in return, he'll give you the potion. Now, guys, with this potion, we're almost cracked the code, guys. The potion, what you're going to want to do is take it to the nearest Apple store, right? So at Apple, they actually have if you put the potion, all right, you're gonna have to buy an iPhone X. I forgot to mention that, guys. But once you buy the iPhone X, you're gonna want to take the potion, insert it into the iPhone X, not pour it on there. You have to insert it in. So you have to take off the back shell cover. You're gonna want to take the potion and it needs to be spread very evenly across the back of it. And then, guys, you place the covering back on. And then from there, you want to open the phone only using the face scan feature. And then you're actually going to want to go to the calculator app, type in the first string of numbers that you had, and then it'll take you to a keyboard, type in the letter that you got, and then it will tell you the code. So if you want to crack the code, just follow this short list of steps. Pretty simple. I've done it about twice now. So guys, just if you want to know how I crack the code, that's basically what it comes down to. So thank you.